everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, so today, and probably for the next couple of videos, I am going to be playing with the ColourArte primary elements, and there's a couple of different things they sent me. I'm so excited when I got these in the mail and saw how beautiful they were. So thank you, Leslie Onstad over at ColourArte, for sending me these beautiful, so sparkly pigments to try. These two might be like some of my favorite color I've ever seen. Look at that. That is ridiculous. That is just so pretty. These are for resin, which I have not worked with. So thanks, Leslie, for making me have to go out and learn how to work with resin so I can use those colors. Man, but look at these colors. I mean, like, I'm really happy I got two of those blue because I love blue. And these are, let's see. These are like the interference. So you can actually add them together and make different colors. They're just so pretty. Anyway, oh, and this is the pouring. It's not a pouring medium as much as it is. These are dry pigments, and this is like the binder that you would normally have in a paint that the pigment is added to. This is my understanding. If I'm wrong, please, Leslie, correct me. So you can actually add pouring medium, but according to her videos, just a touch. So we're going to give that a shot and see what happens. So stay tuned. Look at that blanket pearl blue. I like shiny things. All right, I have mixed up some of these colors. I am using the Snapdragon, Sunburst, and Majestic Blue. So I watched a few of the videos that Leslie has made regarding using these products, and I did what was recommended. So you put a bit of the polypore in the bottom of your cup, same way that I mix regular paints. I put my pouring medium in and then I put in my paint, but in this case you're putting in the binder and then putting in the pigment. Mix that and then add more binder. It's just much easier to get it incorporated that way. And then I added a tiny bit of the Liquitex pouring medium and a little bit of water. This is thickening up a bit. So that is to be noted. And then I have some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I've mixed this thinner than these paints, and this will be the only paint that gets silicone. Side note, ooh, messy. These flow acrylic bottles come with these pumps a lot of times, and I never used them, but I've noticed that since I started using it, I'm getting a lot less of the lumps, you know, the stuff that's stuck to the sides here, and then when you dump your paint upside down, it pulls it out. So use your pumps. Okay, I'm just going to do a swipe here. So I'm going to start laying down some colors. Again, these base coat colors are thicker than the swipe color. I've added about one of these spoonfuls that's about an ounce of paint. I think that's 1/8 of a teaspoon. This stuff goes a long way. It is so pretty. I'm going to add a drop of the Hask Argan Oil, 1 drop, to my black. I'm going to give it a healthy mix. This stuff is a little thick. I'm just going to take one of these Select-A-Size paper towels. I'm going to dampen it with some water. Damp, not soaked, just enough to give it a little bit of weight and to make it more pliable. All right, I'm going to just pour some of this black on the edge. Take my paper towel. Ooh, let me get this area a bit better. Lay gently in the black. Make sure it's touching all the way across. And try to keep it just in the black if you can. Try not to pick up too many of the other colors. Oh, that is so pretty. Those pigments are just beautiful. All right, let's give it a bit of a torch. Get that silicone to come up. There's a couple of spots here where the silicone is going down to the canvas, so what you can do is just take a brush and just dab it. Okay, I've touched up the sides, touched up my silicone spots, but the bling on this is unreal. Look at that purple. I am so excited about these pigments. I have a lot of ideas, y'all. And of course, you can't tell how blingy this is. This is so shiny. And if it's like most metallics, once it dries, it will be even more so. It's very difficult to get the right angle where you can see all the little flecks. It is so pretty. It's like, man, even if these colors mixed and made mud, it would still probably be pretty. That made a very pretty green right there. I like that. Okay, well, I am super psyched to do some more stuff with these paints. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Check out the description box below for links to where you can get these ColourArte primary elements pigments. I will leave the link in the description box. Also in the description box will be my PayPal tip jar. If you find these paintings helpful, or at the very least amusing, you can give a little something at the tip jar. And also my Amazon link. Anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. My website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can purchase my paintings and my music. And go make some art. Our Facebook group. Join us over there. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Should you find yourself in a painting pickle, or just come get some inspiration. I like that. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's see. I think that's it. Yeah, so stay tuned for a lot more metallics in my future. Faux show. All right, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.